Okay, love, so let's get ready together. So today I also have some products that I want to share with you guys, like first impression type video, because I do have a few little new things here that I want to share with you guys today also. I already primed my face. I'm currently obsessed with this all over again. I used to use this a long time ago, I think about a year ago. This was like my go-to primer, and it's the Nieva Men Post Balm. Like, I've been obsessed. Like, I've been using it every single day on my skin, and I'm loving it. So before I even go in with foundation, I'm going to spray my face with a little bit of the Mario Badescu. This is the lavender one. It just smells so good. I need to get another one because I'm running out. You guys can see, like, I use this every single day. Like, I use it in the morning and I use it at night before I go to bed. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, guys. Super obsessed. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay 24-Hour Wear Foundation. So I'm going to be using this today. I don't know what I'm doing. I just wanted to do a get ready with you guys, a chit chat a little bit. Because I really haven't done any. I've been doing like voiceovers, just, you know, quick tutorials for you guys. So I really haven't done much. I'm just applying it here so I can just apply it on my skin. But yeah, I've been just doing voiceovers, doing quick tutorials. And today I just wanted to do a chit chat, get ready with me, with you guys, because I haven't really like talk to you guys and stuff like that. So I'm excited to do it today. And yeah, I also wanted to welcome all the new subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. It just makes me so happy to see like so many new faces on my channel. Well, you know, on my comments basically, and talking to me. So thank you so much. So I'm gonna go in with my Real Technique Expert face brush, and I'm just gonna use this to blend out my foundation. Like, I've been obsessed with brush, blending out with a brush my foundation. I used to be obsessed with the beauty blender and a sponge to use to blend out my foundation, but I feel like when you use a brush, it looks more airbrush. It looks more, and it gives you more coverage when you use a brush, because I feel like the sponge tends to soak up the foundation and it doesn't give you like a very good coverage when you use it. So I love using this brush. Like, ever since I bought it, I've been obsessed. Like, I apply all my foundations with this brush, and I think I bought this around Christmas time, around the holiday time, and I've been obsessed ever since. Like, I have not use my sponge to apply foundation really. I just been using a brush. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love my sponge, but to apply foundation, I don't like it anymore. I'm like obsessed with the brush application because I feel like it looks better, it looks more blended out, and I don't know, it's just giving me a better look on the foundation. Okay, love, so let's move on to the eyes. First, I'm gonna go in with this Ulta Beauty tinted eye primer. I don't know why I'm saying face. This eye primer, and this is in the shade Peach Glow. I love this primer. This is my absolute favorite primer to apply on my eyes. It just prolongs your eye shadows, so I'm super obsessed with this. It's so good. Okay, so I already applied my eye primer, so I'm going to go ahead and set it. I'm going to be using the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. I never use this powder on my eyes, but let's try it out and see if it sets the eyes. I never use this on my eyes. I use it to set my foundation. If it's too tacky, then I'll definitely use this powder because it's so good. But I don't never use it. I definitely want to see how good it is, but I think it's good. It's making my eyes look so smooth. I definitely like it. If you haven't picked this Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, go pick it up. It's a very good powder. especially to set the whole face. It's very, very good. So for eyes today, I'm going to be using the Anastasia's Soft Glam palette. I don't know what I want to do to my eyes. I'm just going to go with it. I think I'm first going to go with the burnt orange right here. I don't know if you guys could hear the lawnmower, but someone wants to lawn right now, like cut grass, like right now when I'm filming. That's awesome. But I'm gonna go in with burnt orange, and I'm just gonna use that as my transition shade. So I'm just gonna grab a Vanity Planet brush and just take the shade and just blend it in. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and just do just a look. I just wanted to get ready with you guys, chit chat. I do want you guys to leave me some video requests, because I don't know what you guys want to see. Someone did request the hygiene routine that I think it should be up by the time this video goes up. It should be up, but someone requested that I film that for them. I love you guys to request videos because it just gives me something to film. I definitely want to film things that you guys want to see, things that you like. Like, I love to create content that my subscribers love to see. So any particular video that you guys like to see, I love to film them just for you guys. You know, it's just whatever you guys want to see, let me know down below. I think I'm gonna go in to, it does have fallout, so just FYI. I think I'm gonna go into Sienna. I'm gonna pick up this and I'm just gonna put it in the outer corner. So yeah, the lookbook is coming soon. Should be coming up in a week or so. Just trying to get everything together so everything looks bomb for you guys. So I'm definitely working towards that. I forget things. So I'm gonna go into Tempera and just put this on my brow bone. And so yeah, so some of those videos are already pre-filmed, so that's why you guys see them go up. Because sometimes when I have visitors over visiting me from out of town, I usually always pre-film before they come, so I don't have to be worrying about filming and all that stuff. So that's why you guys see the videos, because they're already pre-filmed for you guys. I don't want to leave you guys, you know, without videos, so that's why I always do that for you guys. But yeah, so next I'm gonna go in with Fairy. It's this beautiful gold shade, and I'm just gonna apply this to the eyes. So yeah, that's why you guys see my videos. And I lost my train of thought. I always pre-film when I know someone's coming over, because my filming room is the spare bedroom for visitors, so I don't want to be taking over their space, even though it's my filming space. But I don't like to invade their space when they're visiting and go in with all my filming equipment and stuff like that. Like, I definitely don't like to do that. Even though my grandmother, it doesn't bother her because she knows what I do. She knows that I film videos, so it really doesn't bother her. But for me, I see it as I don't want to invade nobody's space and their stuff, so I usually don't do that. I always pre-film videos just so I'm not bothering anyone. Flower Beauty concealer. This, I did haul this in my makeup haul. If you guys didn't see it, I will leave it link down below. And this is the full coverage concealer, weightless feel, and it says it's a crease proof concealer. Let's see how good it is. So I'm gonna apply it. I have the shade a light medium. Let's apply it under the eyes. I'll let you guys know if it's a very good concealer. If it's not, I'll let you guys know. It's gonna be my first impression. It's very liquidy. It's not thick, which is good. I don't mind thick because the Tarte Shape Tape is a little bit thick. So I'm gonna go in with my Equal Tools sponge, and I'm just gonna blend it out. it looks like a perfect shade for my eyes, well, for my skin tone. So to set the concealer, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Powder. I started using this again, and I've been obsessed ever since. Now I know why I was obsessed in the beginning with this, because it just leaves my under eyes so good. So I'm just going to go in with the sponge, and I'm just going to set. Soft Glam palette, and I'm just gonna take burnt orange and apply it under the eyes. This has been like my go-to palette. I just love all the shades in here. It's so good, so creamy, so easy to blend, guys. Like, this is such a good palette. I mean, Anastasia makes a very good eyeshadows, so I knew I was gonna love this palette. I fell in love as soon as they showed the colors. I was like, oh my god, like that is just like up my alley. I'm just gonna go into Sienna. I'm gonna put it in the outer corner, just like I did in the top, in there. So I am gonna go ahead and apply my mascara and lashes and eyeliner off camera. For today, I'm going to be using the Broadway lashes that you guys saw in my haul. And for eyeliner, my NYX Slide Glide. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Ulta Beauty Plush Drama Mascara. So I'm going to do this off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So update on the lashes. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I definitely didn't use like the full on lash. Like, I cut it in half, and I just put them out in the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm obsessed, guys. Like, they are so easy to apply, so nice, they look so natural. I love it. I'm obsessed. If you have a Dollar General by you, I definitely recommend this brand. Very good and very inexpensive. It's only $2 for lashes. I love me affordable lashes. Come on, guys. I'm gonna share with you anything that is very affordable and very good. So I love them. I'm obsessed. So next, I'm gonna go in with my Neutrogena bronzer, and I'm just gonna bronze up the skin, and I'm just gonna use this Morphe M530 brush. Like, guys, I am hitting pan on this. I need a new bronzer, like ASAP. I definitely want to try out the Physician Formula bronzer. I've been hearing so many good things about that bronzer that I need it in my life. This BH Cosmetics, this is their nude blush, 10 color blush palette, and look at how beautiful this is. I think I've showed you guys in the past. I did buy it around the holiday time because they had it on sale. So I'm gonna go in with it, and I'm just gonna take the mauve and pink shade right here. I'm gonna take these two shades and apply it to the nose. It's so pigmented, guys. I haven't used it in a while, but guys, this is so pigmented. Like, I could see it on my cheeks. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the blush is popping right now. It's popping right now, guys. I gotta blend it out with my stippling brush just to get it blended out. Fenty Beauty, this is the Hustla Baby highlighter. I haven't used this highlighter in a while, but today I want to use it. So I'm just gonna highlight my, look at how pretty. Just gonna highlight the skin, honey, because this is so pretty. I'm so obsessed all over again. Like, I've stopped using it because I've been trying out other products, and it's just like, come on, I have to keep on. Like, I've been obsessed with the Pro Fusion one, and I haven't put it down, and now I'm obsessed. I'm gonna be using the Mario Badescu spray. You gotta fan it out, because if you don't fan it, you're gonna have like spots on your face. So it's always good to like fan your face. Definitely recommend it. So today I have a new lippy that I wanted to try with you guys. I got this one from e.l.f. This is their moisturizing lipstick, and this is in the shade Party in the Buff. Really interesting. So we're gonna try this out for today. It's it's new to me. I don't know how new it is, but it is new to me, and I wanted to try it out with you guys today. And it looks like this. It's so pretty. Love the packaging. And this is the color right here. So pretty. It looks like a nice pretty peachy shade. I'm gonna apply this to the lips. It says it's moisturizing. Let's see how good. Oh, this is so bright. It has a taste to it for some reason. I think this does not go with my makeup look. It's way too peachy, too pink. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm gonna change this lip color. I'm gonna go grab another lip color. I'll be right. Okay guys, so this is the finished completed look. I did change out the lip. I went ahead and applied the Kat Von D Cathedral lipstick that I did haul in my makeup haul. So I love it. First impression, I love it. It's very nice. It's beautiful. It's not like super drying on the lips. It feels very moisturizing. So I definitely love it. And yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I can't talk. And if you guys enjoy those get ready with me chit chat videos, please let me know down below and give this video a thumbs up so I know to create more get ready with me. So yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye loves.